Just I found this slide very relational and very important to understand, especially when you are in the pandemic time right now. Aspiration and confidence level. Chart says that when both a girl and a boy start their career after completing any profession, be it engineering, be it medical science, be it any profession, to begin with, if you see, aspiration of women are more, and this has been a study being conducted by Harvard Business Review, so you can understand that is not a fake data, it's a real data which has been after doing a lot of survey. So 43% women were more ambitious compared to boys. And confidence-wise, more or less, both boys and girls had same confidence. And this experienced employees, this is nothing but 5 to 7 years. In between 5 to 10 years experience is what this data is talking about. Now see what happens all of a sudden. Aspiration level of women falls down from 43% to 16%. And their conviction level falls down to 13%. Now, what is that shift all about? I'll explain to you that what this shift is all about and why this shift creates a problem in our marriages. Typically what happens in our marriage, this is one of the biggest reasons you'll face the challenge. And when the senior leadership come, because most of the women, because of the family responsibilities, they are not able to continue their career anymore much. Those who continue, what happens to them and later on. 35% women have aspiration, 56% boys. See, when you start a family, correct, there are a lot of things which a boy cannot do. When a family starts, so a woman has also aspiration. And the aspirations are connected to a family also. Whereas the boys' aspirations are connected to corporate goal and all these things because there's a different science. And somewhere down the road, they get married in between. And after marriage, they assume marriage is all about fun and all, and then they later on realize after 1 or 2 years of marriage, man, marriage is nothing fun. It is a responsibility. It is about understanding each other. It is about compassion. The first fatal mistake you will do is you will think everything is about you. The biggest mistake, whether it is spouse, whether it is kids, whether it is your parents, based on how many people are staying with you right now. The earlier you understand this lesson of life, nothing is all about you, the faster your happiness gets into your life. The first most important thing, if you want to keep your marriage in a proper shape, if you want to happiness in your life during this pandemic, especially, you need a vision sharing part. My discussion 50% time is around this one topic: where are we moving in our life? None of the couples are talking about vision. None of them are talking about where they are moving. None of them. I mean, the spouse is not feeling anymore कि यार मेरा future यहाँ पर bright है भी कि नहीं? Am I really having a bright future in this home? Am I married to a right person? Is this the right place for me? Is my future be secure here? If somebody can feel secure, love starts flowing.